Stand with your feet a comfortable distance apart and begin to vibrate your body. Keep your feet grounded and bounce your body lightly up and down, relaxing deeper and deeper, shaking your shoulders up and down, letting the vibration flow down your arms, your hands, your fingertips. You can turn lightly from side to side, let your spine sway, and release tension in your belly and your lower back. Breathe in through your nose and exhale out of your mouth. Let your face and jaw and neck relax. If you have a lot of thoughts in your head, gently shake them away. Let the vibration take over your full awareness. Moving freely in all directions, sending vibration to every part of your body. Feel the whole body vibrating together, awakening your energy, circulating from head to toe. Deep breath in, and slowly exhale out, slowing down, and slowly stop moving. Now gather your hands in front of your center, slowly raising them up your chest, facing them up above your head, and then bringing it back down your center. Buddha holds up the earth, our metal element. Inhale as you gather the energy, bringing it up. And exhale as your hands come back down. Keep your feet grounded, your knees slightly bent, your hips lowered. The lower body is stable and still. Imagine that you're holding a white ball of energy, a sphere in your hands, soft as a bubble, pressing against your palms as you come up and down. Feel the energy flowing through the thumb and index finger lines, through your forearms, to your collarbones, connecting to your lungs and large intestine meridian channels. Breathing away a sense of grief and sadness with each breath. Purify your lungs, letting go and releasing.